It's already 2025, the age of AI. But there's one thing that hasn't changed in 100 years, and we're still using it today. These spring clips and key rings. In 1867, an American named Harrison invented this spring clip. And in 1894, another American, Charles Whitley, invented this wire key ring. Yes, exactly the one you're using to hold your keys right now. So yeah, it's basically 150 years old. Respect to the ancient inventors. Think about it, cars are almost flying now, but keychains are still stuck with this ancient design. Truly a tragedy for the keychain world. And then a revolutionary product appeared, completely redefining the keychain industry. This is the titanium magnetic connector. First, it's magnetic plus mechanical locking structure. It uses ultra-strong and 56 neodymium magnets, which allows long-distance blind docking. Because these magnets are extremely strong, when they get close, they automatically align and snap into place. Release your finger, and snap. It locks instantly. The locking feedback is super satisfying. Next, the material. The entire body is made of TC for titanium alloy, the same material used on the Change lunar project. I mean the moon landing one, not the mythical goddess. So why titanium alloy? First, it can be made from steel. Titanium is non-magnetic, so the magnetic force stays concentrated on the magnet. Steel would disperse the magnetic field, magnetic dispersion, ruining the plug and unplug experience. Steel also wears out and rusts over time. What about aluminum? Aluminum is also non-magnetic and rust-free, but its strength is still lower than titanium. Long-term durability just can't compare. Titanium has a Century Titanium series, like this titanium fountain pen. Unless you deliberately destroy it, normal use won't break it. It can literally be passed down for generations. Then the machining process. Fully CNC machined. These tiny little parts must be made on machines with 0.01mm precision. It's turning engineering into art, especially the locking teeth. The precision must be absolutely perfect. Too large, and they rebound poorly, and fail to lock. Too small, and the lock won't hold under force, and may pop open. It's like asking a warrior to do embroidery. This magnetic connector has passed tensile tests, with a maximum pull force of 900 N, about the weight of a big strong adult. We also tested it towing a car. A vehicle over 2 tons, no problem at all. Thankfully, the product quality passed the test. Besides the magnetic connector, the real genius lies in its detachable ends. Press the U-shaped ring down, rotate 90 degrees, and it comes right off, letting you attach all kinds of items. We designed various outer rings to match all sorts of objects. This makes its use cases incredibly wide. The smallest ring can hold a small key, or a car key, clean and minimal. There's also a spring bar design for items with tiny holes. Then we have square and round rings, bigger inner space, so you can hang larger items, or multiple keys. If you have lots of keys, you can use the 25mm or 35mm ring. Internally, we call it a hanger, but it's actually designed for nylon straps, not keys. Most straps come in 20, 25, or 30mm widths, so these rings fit them perfectly. This opens up a whole new set of use cases. We'll go into details later. Why design it like this? Because we found that magnetic connectors already exist on the market. They look simple and pretty, but they have no locking structure. A slight pull, and they detach. Super easy to lose things, and both ends are closed, so you still have to add steel key rings, which is hilarious. You're buying it to replace key rings, but end up needing key rings anyway. Originally, to hang keys, you needed a spring clip like this. Now, you can just hang it directly on your belt loop. It swivels freely, so it looks neat and clean, not greasy like the old style. My favorite use is hanging my car key. Clean, minimal, no redundant parts. Then, the design is very exquisite and premium looking. And thanks to blind docking, you unlock another feature. You can hang keys and small tools inside your bag. No more digging around. Grab them instantly. At home, I stick everything onto metal surfaces. Super convenient when hiding out. Honestly, this connector has gone far beyond keychains. You can use it to connect almost anything. Just use your imagination. I like using it on straps. I can carry a small bag, or detach it and clip it to my waistband, or attach my big thermos, because tea is life. If I carry more stuff, I switch to a bigger bag. One strap solves everything. Girls can use it for phones, access cards, earbuds. Since it works on straps, it unlocks another scenario. Carrying cameras. Clip it on the shoulder strap, or quickly move it to the wrist strap. I'm an experienced hiker. I've been to Altai, the Rock Trail, Wushan Grand Canyon, etc. I use it all the time outdoors, on your phone or GoPro, on your backpack strap. Easy to detach for photos. You can also hang a knife, flashlight, or even a water bottle. A super practical use is for chest bags. If you don't hike, you may not get it, but wearing it on the chest is incredibly convenient. As an avid fisherman, I use it to hang all kinds of fishing tools. Everyone knows I don't fish just to fish. I fish to buy gear. But students buy lots of stationery, and I buy lots of fishing gear. I can hang my gripper, line cutter, hooks, lines, anything. Also great for motorcycle trips. Hang your motorcycle key and trunk key around your neck. Hard to lose, easy to grab. You can even hang your helmet with parts. Since it's a connector, there are endless uses. Replace plastic quick release bubbles. Use it on dog leashes. Easy to open and close. Or use its strong magnetic force to hang a light on the car hood or dry clothes on the trunk lid. As a revolutionary connector, there are tons of scenarios waiting for you to unlock. Tell me in the comments.